I are in the Florida Keys at John Pennekamp Coral Reef State Park. This is America's first underwater state park. This park is world famous for its glass-bottom boat rides, along with a long list of TTDs like camping, snorkeling, hiking, and kayaking. Where did you come from?
Cooper and Valencia are going to be renting a couple of our kayaks, and we're going to head out and explore our mangrove swamps. These swamps are critical to marine life here in the Florida Keys. All right, you guys ready to go explore the mangrove swamp?
Yeah.
Excellent, here we go.
So Valencia and I are paddling around, and we're surrounded by a bunch of mangrove trees. Mangroves are trees that thrive in saltwater. They're actually pretty incredible. Get this, some mangroves drink saltwater, then turn it into fresh water. The leftover salt comes out in their leaves. Pretty cool.
Hey guys, look, it's an osprey. He's gonna sit up there, and when he sees his dinner, he's gonna swoop in and grab it with his talons. It's incredibly important for kids to get out and explore Florida's natural environments because we are going to be passing these beautiful ecosystems to them.
Beyond being able to survive in harsh conditions, mangroves have incredible root systems that provide important shelter for small fish and crustaceans. And up top, their branches provide the perfect place for nesting coastal birds like the brown pelican, or my fave, the rosette spoonbill. So pretty, so pink. Mangroves are like nature's baby nurseries, so we have to make sure we protect them, or baby fish and baby pelicans won't have a place to grow up.